So, what's the difference between net worth and self worth? Net worth means the wealth or assets a person owns, and self worth means the value and the respect a person holds for themselves. The world usually measures someone's status by their net worth, how much the property or the money or the business or the bank balance they have. People often assume that someone with great wealth is successful and prosperous. But self worth is about what we think of ourselves, how we recognize our abilities, and how much dignity and respect we have for ourselves. Even if someone is poor but has self confidence, self respect, and moral integrity, that person is truly richer. Real prosperity does not come from the money, it comes from how valuable you believe you are. If someone owns all the wealth in the world but sees themselves as inferior or worthless inside, they will never find peace or happiness. On the other hand, if a person with limited resources respects themselves, trusts their abilities, and lives positively, they are the one who are truly, truly prosperous.